Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be continuing with my hijab journey. Today I will be telling you the different kinds of hijabs I like and the different brands that I use. So let's get on with it. The number one hijab which I absolutely adore is the jersey hijab. I'm an absolute fan. They require no pins, no underscarves. Like hot hijab likes to coat them as sweatpants for your head, and they are absolutely right. The best hijab that I've used is by Hot Hijab. This lovely hijab is by the Hot Hijab. This is very good quality and very comfortable hijab. This is the absolute best which I've used. The next hijab which I really like is by LBH. LBH is an Indian brand which ships worldwide. It is definitely cheaper than Hot Hijab. The material is a bit thinner, but for this price you can definitely buy it. It is the best for the price they offer. So the next hijab which I have is another jersey hijab which I bought from a local store over here. This is also made in UAE like the hot hijabs, and it is a similar quality as the hot hijabs. But when I went to the store to purchase more of these, they were out of stock, so I could get only one of this. The next type of hijab, which absolutely looks wonderful, is the chiffon hijab, but it is pretty slippery. So it took me some time to figure out how to wear this without slipping off my head or without just spraining my neck, not trying to move my head so that it doesn't slip out. New hijabis, my recommendation is to wear it with a ninja scarf, not a regular underscarf. I have three brands here. Number one, this wonderful hijab which I'm holding is by Hot Hijabs. It is a very gorgeous color, gorgeous look. The next hijab which I will be showing you, this is by the Veiled Collections. This is not as slippery as Hot Hijab, but it is not as fine as the Hot Hijabs, but nevertheless it looks wonderful. Then the third hijab which I will show you is by LBH. This, they tell it's a georgette, not a chiffon. This is pretty rough, so it is less slippery than the other two. So these are my favorite chiffons. Then here I have another ribbed chiffon. I think so they call it pleated or ribbed chiffon. It has a wonderful texture to it. This I bought from a local store, but this looks wonderful when you wear it. Here I have some viscose hijabs also. They are actually pretty warm for the tropical country which I live on, so I don't really wear them that often, and pinning them do make big holes in them, so I don't usually use them often. But I think hot hijabs have pretty viscose on them, but I've never tried theirs. These two are from the local stores. Another type of hijab are the satin hijabs. I do own satin hijabs, but I don't have them with me right now to show it to you. Talking about accessories, underscarves. Here I have the classical tube underscarf, which it can be used with the chiffons or even with jersey or any other slipping material. Here I have some sports caps or scarves which I got from Decathlon. These are pretty longer, so they cover your hair in the back also, and they are pretty breathable material, so they are pretty much cooler. I really like these too. Now you can buy them in neutral colors so that they can stay under your hijabs. These are pretty much recommended too. And the next absolute favorite which I like is ninja scarves. I cannot speak enough on the ninja scarves. They are a lifesaver when you're wearing slippery material like silk or chiffons or even satin, which is very slippery. What I have over here is from a local store. This is pretty good. They even cover your neck so that if you have a longer neckline, I cannot stress enough on the ninja scarf. So now we are going to talk about pins and magnets. They are really essential the normal kind of safety pins, which I absolutely do not recommend because they get caught in your scarves and they make big holes in it. So, what kind of pins should you use? This kind of guarded safety pins. This is an absolute essential. I own only black and white over here, but you can buy lots of neutral colors. I think so LBH has lot of nice beautiful neutral colors in their website. So this is highly recommended. The next kind of pins, yes, definitely straight pins. I would recommend using longer kind of straight pins, not the smaller ones. The straight pins, you can use something like this. This is the pin with the guard. You can see it has a chain attached to it. So this keeps your pin from falling out. Sometimes my pins do fall off. Since they have a guard, they are less dangerous. Next essential is also magnets. Magnets are pretty good, especially in little expensive hijabs, party hijabs, which you don't want to poke holes in it. They are pretty good. Here is one magnet which I purchased from Modernissa. I think Hot Hijab also has released magnets which are supposed to be pretty strong, but I have not yet gotten my hands on those. Inshallah, maybe in the future. So these are all my favorite hijabs and my favorite brands. I hope you people like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button. And if you like more of these kind of videos, there are more videos coming your way. So don't forget to press the subscribe button. So, masalama.